Urban Loft Living Room with high ceilings and industrial lighting. Welcome to our Urban Loft Living Room tour featuring high ceilings and industrial lighting. In this video, we'll show you how to create a stunning, open-concept living space with the charm and character of an urban loft. From soaring ceilings to bold industrial lighting fixtures, this design combines the best of modern urban living with a stylish industrial edge. What you'll discover in this video. 1. High ceilings and open space. See how high ceilings in an urban loft transform the living room into a spacious and airy environment. We'll show you how to make the most of vertical space with tall furniture pieces, statement art, and lighting that emphasizes the height of the room. 2. Industrial lighting. Explore various industrial lighting options, including pendant lights, exposed bulb fixtures, and metal chandeliers. We'll give you ideas on how to choose lighting that enhances the raw, industrial vibe while providing functional and aesthetic appeal. 3. Exposed brick and concrete walls. Learn how to embrace the raw textures of exposed brick or concrete walls, adding an industrial feel to the loft. We'll discuss how to complement these materials with sleek furniture, soft textiles, and modern accessories. 4. Open plan layout. Discover layout ideas that take advantage of the open plan design common in lofts. We'll share tips on how to arrange furniture to create distinct zones for living, dining, and working while maintaining a cohesive and spacious feel. 5. Metal and wood accents. Get inspired by industrial-style decor, featuring a mix of metal and wood accents. We'll explore how metal shelving, wood coffee tables, and leather furniture can create the perfect blend of industrial chic and cozy comfort. 6. Large windows and natural light. Take advantage of large loft windows to flood the living space with natural light. We'll show you how to maximize the impact of natural light, using light curtains and reflective surfaces to enhance brightness. 7. Rugged and stylish furniture. Learn how to select furniture that complements the industrial aesthetic, from leather sofas to reclaimed wood tables. We'll share ideas on how to balance rough textures with soft furnishings to make the space both stylish and comfortable. 8. Urban art and decor. Decorate your loft living room with urban art, including graffiti-style prints, metal sculptures, or abstract paintings. We'll give you ideas on how to use bold and edgy decor to enhance the industrial feel while personalizing the space. 9. Functional and stylish storage. Explore modern storage solutions that suit the industrial loft style, such as open metal shelving, sleek storage units, and multifunctional furniture pieces that keep the space organized without sacrificing style. 10. Mixing industrial and modern elements. Discover how to create the perfect blend of industrial and modern design by incorporating sleek contemporary furniture, minimalist decor, and industrial style accents like metal piping and concrete floors. Why an urban loft living room? Unique and edgy style. Urban lofts offer a distinct and stylish living experience with their raw, industrial elements and modern decor. Spaciousness and natural light. With high ceilings and large windows, lofts provide an open, airy feel, making them ideal for showcasing bold design choices. Industrial lighting and design. The use of industrial materials like metal and wood combined with modern lighting gives a space a trendy yet timeless appeal. If you're looking to give your living room an urban loft vibe with high ceilings and industrial lighting, this video is for you. We'll provide all the design inspiration and practical tips you need to bring this iconic style to life in your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends and tips for home decor.